Reading lesson on idioms. Okay, so let's talk about the text. Like I said, it is important to visualize what you read and always read between the lines. You also must know you don't read one word at a time, but you must see the meanings of the words that are connected together in the context of the reading topic. So the quote here is, everyone in our group is on the same page about what our priorities are. What picture does this put in your mind? Do you see everyone reading the same page of a book all at one time? What's the context? The people are working in a group and defining their priorities. What's the most important to them? They have the same ideas about what is important. In addition to trying to see the words in your mind, you might try translating a phrase or sentence into your first language because there's often a similar one. Do you have this idiom in your first language? Words that have a different meaning when put together than when they are defined alone are called idioms, by the way. The idiom in the example was on the same page. You probably also noticed that I used the reading strategy of checking the context, which was about group work, and defined a term, which was prioritizing. If you don't know words that you are reading, you can search the dictionary. It's your best friend for learning English words. Finally, many successful language learners will tell you that they remember words by associating or connecting them with a picture in their minds. That's why a lot of people draw a picture in their vocabulary logs. It creates a picture in their minds of what the word means. With the first sentence, the idiom swallowing the news whole seems negative because it says, don't do that, as it might not be true. The girl in this picture is trying to swallow this burger by taking too big of a bite, instead of by taking smaller bites that are easier to chew and then digest. If you read the news without looking at the details and investigating it, you might not be able to process it in your mind, just as this girl can't process the burger in her stomach. I hope that comparison is clear for you. The second idiom is buy it, in the context of I don't buy it. We also have the word but I don't buy it. And that's showing contrast. He said he was working on his homework, but I don't think it's really happening. You will often hear people say, I don't buy that argument, to mean that they don't believe it. Here we go, a rumor on WhatsApp. Those can happen. You might hear some about nutritional advice. These kittens are lapping up the milk. If people lap up the rumors, what do they do with them? They drink them. A lot.